Welcome back to eCreativeAid. You'll never use a different recipe for making French fries. It is crispy and awesome. So first we need to wash and peel 6 medium-sized potatoes. Cut the potatoes into strips like so. Place the potatoes in cold water so they won't turn brown. Now put a cup of all-purpose flour in a sifter or a strainer into a large bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt. Now sift all the ingredients. Then add a half a cup of water, or as needed, to make a slightly thick batter that can be drizzled from a spoon. Heat a cup of vegetable oil in a pot. While the oil heats up, blot the potatoes dry on a piece of paper towel. Then dip the potatoes in the batter one at a time. And place them in the hot oil apart from each other because you don't want them to clump together. Then serve them hot with your favorite burgers or alone. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.